guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about my online shopping experience. So online shopping, first off is with Lazada kasi nagkaroon sila ng sale and I took advantage of it. I bought items, most of them are makeup because that's how I am. I like makeup as opposed to really buying clothes or other stuff online. Also, I bought something online. This is from my sister-in-law's online shop. The name of her online shop is Athena's Clothing. So, these clothes are very affordable. So, that's the reason why I bought it. And also, it's hassle-free because it's online. So, all I need to do is just pick the things that I want to buy online and then she will ship it to me. So, let's move on with the video. So, I have 4 packages. So, 3 from Lazada and then 1 from the online shop of my sister-in-law. So, first, I will open this Lazada item. So, it says here, this is the L'Oreal lipstick. So, this is the L'Oreal lipstick of Heart Evangelista. So, this is the lipstick. It's bubble wrapped and meron siyang scotch tape. So, just to make sure na siguro parang hindi ma-damage yung item. So, I'll go ahead and open. Medyo struggle is real, mga beshi. So, ang hirap niya buksan. Alright, so this is the item. Packaging, very nice. The color that I got is Rouge Apporter. Now I'm opening it. And this is Hearts painting. So if you can see, this is very personal to her. Napanood ko kasi yung ibang vlog ng ibang YouTuber. And yun, they had a chance to interview her. So again, this is Color Rich Matte Rouge Apporter 233. So let's open. So ayan siya. It says L'Oreal Paris. So okay naman kasi I have other L'Oreal lipsticks. So say this one. This is Color Rich Matte Maple Mocha. That's how it looks like. So, difference would be the packaging kasi ito, merong painting ni Heart. And then this one, this is the normal packaging ng mga L'Oreal lipsticks. So, I'll open the second item. Second item from Lazada is this Ulanzi phone tripod mount. So, ito yung box. I'll show you guys a picture of that item here. Kasi gamit-gamit ko na siya ngayon. So, hindi ko na siya mapakita. So, based dun sa pagkakabasa ko dun sa information ng item na to, galing pa to sa China. So, I didn't know. Kaya pala medyo matagal siya. Dumating na lahat ng mga Lazada items ko. Hindi pa siya dumadating. So, I just read nung parang nag-isip ako na bakit wala pa siya, ganyan. Yun pala, galing pa siyang China. So, that explains everything. Alright, so I will open now the third item. Third Lazada item is this Sunny's Face Air Blush. The shade is Disco. Kasi, I tried going to, or I went to Sunny's Face dun sa Glorieta. And ang gusto ko talagang bilhin na shade is Moon. However, out of stock si Moon. So, ngayon, dahil nakita ko tong si Disco online, binili ko. Though meron ito dun sa store nila. Pero, binili ko na din yung nandun sa online. Kasi, di ko alam kung malay mo pagbalik ko dun sa Sunny's Face, ano na pala siya? Wala na din. So, ito siya. Ay, ang galing. Actually, hindi ko na-expect na nakalagay siya dito sa Sunny's Face na pack. Kasi this is really how it looks like when you buy it from Sunny's Face. Kasi I bought a couple of lipsticks from Sunny's Face. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So, nung nilabas nila tong kanilang Fluff Matte Lipsticks. So, eto siya. This is how it looks like. This is the original packaging. So, nakasulat dyan sa top, Sunny's Face. So, I bought 3 shades. And also, I bought yung jelly case nila. Yung jelly kit. So, I'll put the picture here nung kit ko. Tapos, the colors that I got are 143, Mood, and Baked. So, yun siya. I'll show you na din nga guys kung ano yung color niya. So, this is 143. Ang ganda, diba? I seldom use this kasi parang madali siya maubos. Ganyan. And then, this one is Mood. Ayan. Parang magkakakulay lang siya kung titignan nyo kasi mahilig talaga ako sa mga nude lipsticks. And then this one is Baked. Medyo reddish, orangey siya. So, ayan siya. Then, now, let me go ahead and open this Sunny's Face Air Blush. Nako parang nakalagay dito, nakalagay Raz. Pero ang gusto kong bilhin is Disco. Nako. BV. Mainis talaga ako. Oh my God, I think this is the wrong shade. Kasi iba yung kulay niya. I'm expecting red. So, Raz yung nilagay. May gulay. See? So, I bought Disco, but they gave me Raz. So, it's a fail. Medyo disappointing. Though sabi nila, isa din naman to sa mga bestseller na shades. Pero hindi ito yung gusto ko na kulay. Ang gusto ko is Disco. So, it's red. And this one is kinda mauve or violet. Basta ganun yung kulay niya. So, okay. It's a fail for this Sunny's Face air blush. They gave me the wrong item, though I made it clear dun sa order ko na it should be Disco. Kasi nakikita nyo naman dun sa labas ng package, I'll show you, nakalagay Disco. Wait, hindi ko na siya makita. Here nakalagay Disco. But they gave me a different thing. So, it's Raz. So, this is how it looks like. Front, back, and then the item. Back is the name. And then, this is how it looks like inside. Small mirror, and then the product. So again, it's a fail, pero okay na din. Sabi kasi nung mga sales lady dun sa SM, ito daw yung bestseller din, apart from Moon. Last item from Lazada is this Glossier Cloud Paint. I bought 4 colors. So, let's just check kung tama itong naibigay sa akin. Ako, Lazada ha. This is how it looks like. Naka-bubble wrap din siya. Tapos, ayan, kita yung mga items. So, let's just check kung tama yung mga items.
Few inches later.
Okay, I bought Beam, and then I also have Haze, dusk, puff, and another haze. So, this is how it looks like, guys. So, di ko sure kung may fake ba nito. Di ko kasi alam kung may fake. So, this is how it looks like. Ay, baliktad. Yan. So, yan yung mga colors. Beam, puff, haze, dusk. Yan. So, I haven't tried this. This is my first time to buy Glossier. Nakita ko kasi naka-sale siya. So, that's the reason I bought it. Kasi in reality, medyo mahal ata siya. So, mahal. So,
few inches later.
sana ipapakita ko na sa inyo guys kung ano yung mga items na nabili ko sa sister-in-law ko. So, ang gamit niya na courier is JRS Express. So, I think I bought how many clothes? 1, 2, 3 clothes. So, I bought this one. Ako, mahilig ako dito. Ang dami ko ng ganitong itsura na damit. This blouse. I'll show you later what it looks like when worn. And then I also bought this dress. I'll also show you guys, this is color black. Maraming colors to. Merong dark blue, gray, blue, and then black. Kasi I like black, white, gray, and blue. Those are my colors. So, that's why I bought it. Tapos, I bought this shirt too. Ayan. Uso kasi to. Ang dami ko nakikita na may mga suot na ganyan. Tapos yung parang may pabuhol dito sa harap na ganyan. So, nagandahan ako. Tapos, ito, cream yung color niya. So, later, I'll show you then what it looks like when worn. And then, lastly, I bought this sleeveless top. May zipper sa harapan. Then, this is how it looks like sa likod. So, I'll show you then how it looks like later. So, all in all, I think my experience still pleasant. Siguro if I will rate it from 1 to 5, 5 being the highest, I would rate it 3.5. So, I would still buy things online, pero I will be very careful na din, and also maybe communicate with the seller para hindi ma-messed up yung mga orders ko moving forward. So, that's it guys. This is just a very short video. I just shared with you kung ano yung mga in-order ko online through Lazada and through my sister-in-law's online shop. So, I will put the link down below dun sa kanilang Facebook account. So, you can see kung ano yung mga pwede nyong orderin sa kanila. Pero mostly, it's clothes yung pwede nyong ma-order. So, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. And kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel ko, kindly click the subscribe button down below para maging updated ka sa mga susunod kong mga videos. Thank you guys! Bye!